I am making some bourbon chicken. I got that hair up today too, because it's a little bit warmer here today in Tennessee. I've got 4 chicken breasts that I soaked in a salt brine and made sure that I washed that really good and chopped it up, put it in my large pan here. And now I'm gonna show you how to make that bourbon sauce, but I just wanted to pop in and say hello. Boneless chicken thighs are ideal for bourbon chicken, but I am using chicken breast and that works great too. This was wonderful. We're gonna start with the sauce, and I'm using 1/4 teaspoon of ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. My husband doesn't like this real sweet, so I'm going to start with 1/3 cup of packed brown sugar, and you'll need 1/4 cup of apple juice. I didn't have any apple juice, but you can take an apple and a little bit of water and put it in a Ninja Bullet and make some apple juice or apple sauce. And that's what I did, and I think it tasted even better. 1/4 cup of ketchup, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 3 teaspoons of minced garlic. Now go ahead and just mix this really well. And after tasting this, I decided that it needed another 1/3 cup of packed brown sugar. You can add up to a cup of that brown sugar, but I think 2/3 was plenty. Now back to the chicken. You want to make sure that you drain all the water off of this, take it out of the skillet, rinse it off, clean that skillet up, put it back in there, brown it a little bit, and now we're going to pour the sauce on it. My husband really bragged this up, and bourbon chicken is really not one of his favorites. Now make sure you coat that chicken really well with this sauce, and we're going to put a lid on it and let it cook on low heat for about 15 to 20 minutes, checking on it occasionally and moving it around. You will see it start to caramelize. And just top it with a green onion, and voila, this is done. And this was so good. I made some cabbage to go with this, but you can serve it over rice too, and this is always so good.